Hi, this is Team 11 from SCR 517, and I'm Shengdong. I'm here to present our outcomes of our Spring 1. Okay, to begin with, let's start with our Spring goals. Our goal is to first set up the base for the project, and then we want to gather the designs and tools we'll use, and then we want to understand the APIs sponsor provide to us, and then we want to have a prototypes of the homepage. And to be honest, we've done much more than expected because we've not done homepage, and we also done other pages as well. And I'll specify that in terms of our working software and then user story. And basically, all our goals are met. Let's start with our user story number 19 because it's about the homepage. So as a customer, I should be able to see a list of all products in the homepage. As you can see, we have the homepage and we contain the title, the tab bars, and we have the button tab bars as well. And this is the product list, and all the products are get from API, and all the products are rendered well and layout as are expected. And this user story values because customer might want to browse all the products the apps can provide. So then he might choose the one he interested in. And then let's move to our next user story. Number 5. As a customer, I want to be able to see detailed information about a product. For example, I can click on this product and the image and further detailed information will be shown on this page. And we also provide a button add to cart and add to wish list. Although those two features are not implemented yet, we provide this button for future use. Right now, they're just models pop up. And this user story value because the user might have some interesting ones when he was browsing all the product list. He might be interested in one of those, and he can click in and see all the details of the product and do further operations. And let's move to our next user story we delivered. Number 2. As a customer, I want to be able to search products by using keywords. For example, I want to check if we have available products named or related to bag, to check if we have. As you can see, the rendering might take a while. Yeah, we'll check that later. As you can see, all the products related to bag are shown in this list, and the user is able to click in one of them. Although this is a bottle, but it still shows in bag. Okay, it's because in the description there are bag mentioned. That's the thing we expected to have. And the search values because the user might have some targets already, so he just want to make sure if there are products named the keywords like bag. He just want to check if there are available bags in this app. Let's move to our next user story, number 19. Number 1. As a customer, I want to be able to log into the application. So actually, we've registered an account in their server, so we use that account information for login. I'm just checking if they're correct. Okay, once it's logged in successfully, it will navigate to the home page directly because we haven't decided what operations we can provide to the authenticated users. So right now we just navigate to the home page. But it means it's logged in successfully. So if I use invalid usernames, it will just like keep on this page, not navigate to the home page. It means like failure. We might worry about that in the future sprints about what should we do for authenticated users and what kind of like suggestions we should provide for the login failure. Okay, that's basically, and also that user story definitely value because there are users might already have accounts on this app, so he can log in for future authenticate like operations. And basically that's the user stories we deliver in this sprint, and this is the as I showed you the working software we're having right now. And our Taiga board, all the tasks of each user story are shown as well. Like create search page, integrate, like all the things are our Taiga board, like detailed things. And in terms of our team, we're a team of 5. We have Joran, Mas, Jennifer, Sahiti, and I as Shengdong, and we're divided into 2 groups, front-end team and back-end team. Front-end is basically focused on the pages and layout and navigation, and the back-end is more worried about the logic and how the things interact and interact with the API and drag things from the server or put or edit. As we can see on the breakdown chart, and Joran and Mas are in the backend team, and Jennifer, Sahiti, and I are the front-end team. And we work perfectly and efficient. We do all our tasks like individually, and then we do the integration. And any one of us has questions or problems, we're just like work together to solve them out. And as you can see, our breakdown charts are smooth and then as expected. And in terms of our backlog, the backlog haven't been updated yet because there is a problem we've met in our Spring 1 is we underestimate every one of the user story. So before it was like all of them should be like were like 5, 6, or 7, but we realized that it takes much more time than that. So in the future sprints, we'll definitely like provide better estimation of each user story because we've already spent our Spring 1 on this. So we understand the project more and we know the works we'll put in this project, so we can provide better estimation. And that's a product backlog for now, as you can see on our Taiga board. And lastly, I appreciate my team's work and thank you for watching.